The winding road of Batukong Manik in Quezon Province is more than just a passage, it is a protected area where nature speaks. As you drive through its endless curves, the sound of crickets fills the air, echoing like a chorus from the forest. Locals say the place is alive not only with wildlife but also with unseen beings. Some whisper of a capre watching from the trees, others of spirits that linger along the bends. Travelers learn to pass with respect, for in Batukong Manik, the road is not just asphalt, it is a living guardian of Quezon's mysteries.